length. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon. I have one secret. Don't tell to anyone. I have a beautiful surprise to an important person. Here it is! A hidden gift inside the explosion box. Do you want to see the surprise? Then let's watch. Let's start with the explosion box first. Surprise will be shown later. Take a chart paper. Take 5 square white chart papers. Stick it as shown. Cut the corner end. Fold and stick the sides. Now fold 4 sides as shown. Inner box is ready. Make another box with 14 cm square white paper in the same way. Second box is ready. Make big box with 18 cm square white paper. Three boxes are ready. Now let's make lids for the boxes. Take 11 cm square white paper to make small box lid. Stick the paper as shown. Take 4 rectangle piece of paper and stick as shown. Cut the side and stick as shown. For the small box is ready. Similarly, using 15 cm square white paper, make lid for middle box. Lid for middle box is ready. Using 19 cm square white paper, make lid for big box. Lid for big box is also ready. Decorate the boxes as you like. I have used silver foam to decorate lid. So many chocolates. Yummy! I want to eat now. Use double tape and stick chocolates or use stapler. You can use any chocolates, big or small, based on the size of the gift box. Based on the gift you want to hide, you can change the size and dimension of the box. Now it's time to reveal the hidden gift. Wow! It's watch. I had given you a hint in the beginning. This is Fossil automatic self-winding watch. No need of battery. The watch works based on the wrist movement. Let's pack the gift. I hope the important person loves it. Stick the boxes as shown. I have sticked heart in the inner box. You can write any beautiful messages as well. Place the gift in the inner box. Close the boxes. Tie the box with ribbon. Gift the explosion box to your loved ones. Did you like the explosion box? You can also surprise your loved ones with hidden gifts inside the explosion box. Now you guess, to whom did I surprise?